Hi there, coming to you from the floor today because the desk is messy, and that is not a rare occurrence. So, prize ribbons, particularly these rosette prize ribbons. I collect them. You can get them on places like eBay or Etsy, an antique store. I think I actually saw my first one at an antique store and just loved it. And I thought I can do something with that. And I can, and I'm going to show you what you can do with it too. Now, yellow ribbons. And most of these are horse ribbons. What you're going to find, I don't know why. Oop, excuse me. Very pretty. Oh, look. Meadowlark. Somebody's horse was named Meadowlark. They all have names. Remembrance. Fancy. Yes, it is. Very fancy. So, what I do with these is I take this, I put it on the copier. I may or may not reduce it. I may or may not mess with the color. Usually I'll just print it in the color it is, you know, and work it into art like this. Look at this pretty lady. Lots of ruffles. Just a touch here. This is creepy. Hey, I got a bouquet. It's my own head. This right here is from those blue ones. They look purple, but they're actually blue ribbons, first place ribbons that have faded. So this is a fun one. This is me as Siamese twins. Me, I don't like her. They're upset for some reason. They're not getting along. Too bad. And then the thing I had done most recently, gave her a little ruffle here with the white. So it's very easy to do, and I'm just going to walk you through a quick demonstration. So I got this 4x6 here, little tiny canvas, and I found a piece of art, a photograph I liked on Pexels.com. Since this art tip is not about finding free images, I'll just leave just something in the description about it. Check these ladies out. Not the most flattering dress. Better decisions have been made. So I'm going to cut this out, put it on here. That's going to be the base, and then we'll get to the ribbons. Hey you. You're on my copier. / printer, home office. Can I use it? No, I'm very comfortable. Go get ya. Here we have our bizarre woodpile ladies. I don't know what they're doing, but they are not well dressed for chopping wood. This came out too dark. That was because I had the lid up, so put the lid down. This is 100%. Obviously, you can put more than one ribbon on, however many will fit. And here's a 50%. Very nice. And at 25%, pretty small. But, you know, that could possibly work behind their heads or around their necks. And then a couple of different ribbons, just to be totally random, at 38%. Okay, let's get to ruffling. know she's not dressed to cut wood. I've already told her. She doesn't listen to me. Will you tell her? I don't want her chopping off anything except wood. So that's the basic idea. I'll keep fiddling with these. I'll probably put a coat over the whole thing to make sure things hold, and I'll show you what I end up with in a minute. Well, this has taken a strange turn, which I did not expect. But like Bob Ross says, there are no mistakes, only happy little accidents. That's not true. Sometimes there are flat out mistakes, but this one was a happy little accident. So I did gouache. I've never used it before. I got this from my sister for Christmas. And I've been told it's kind of like a cross between an acrylic and a watercolor. And I used it on her hair and a little bit here and a little bit yellow here. And then when I went to put my Mod Podge on top, it just ran all over the place. And at first I thought it was the Sharpie, but it was the gouache. And I love it. I think she looks cool, mysterious, and weird. It did kind of mess up her weird boob dress. So I painted over that with a white acrylic, which seemed to cover better than the gouache. Because some of the yellow was getting up there and I just didn't like the way that looked. Anyways, you get the idea. Ruffles from Ribbons. I wanted to show you a different alternative. So I've got these copies. They look a little worn because I've lightly sanded them with some sandpaper. And I wanted to get it like around her head, and that's tricky. So I cut out her arm from her face, and I did little notches here. And so in theory, we should have something kind of like this going on. Maybe. It's always good to layer the bigger or lower tier first and then on top of it, obviously, so you can overlap it. And I do not think this is going to go around her head, but it could, you know, do something like that. So I will show you her when she's done. You're a very good chicken. He did not. Oh, sorry. This is Racheal. This is Racheal looking at the camera. Thank you for watching that art tip number 1. There will be more to follow, just little things I've learned as a collage artist and an artist in general over the years. Happy Easter! No marshmallows for kitties. No marshmallows for kitties. That's the rule. He doesn't eat people food, don't worry. I guess this is people food. He's a marshmallow. Right? I better go pick that up. Happy Easter.